पिछले कुछ दिनों से मणिपुर की राजधानी इम्फाल में हो रहे मूसलाधार बारिश के कारण इम्फाल नदी के तटबंध 4 स्थानों पर टूटने की वजह से पूर्वी इम्फाल में भारी बाढ़ आ गई है। मूसलाधार बारिश का आलम ये है कि हिंगांग, खुरई, वांगखेई, याइस्कुल, थोंगजू, क्षेत्रीगांव इलाके में कई घर और सड़कें जलमग्न हो गई हैं। सुरक्षा बलों और स्थानीय लोगों की माने तो करीब 400 से 500 घरों को नुकसान हुआ है। जल संसाधन विभाग द्वारा टूटे हुए तटबंधों की मरम्मत के लिए भारी मशीनरी का उपयोग किया जा रहा है।
About 200, I think.
So as of now, is the water inundated in the locality?
Yes, it is still there, and there are some houses that we cannot even reach till now.
Okay. Since when you see this thing, what to say, renovation or reconstruction of this is being taken?
The problem of this place has been from years, but the last year it also about to broke, but we made it in the month of May. But still, knowing this, the government has not taken enough responsibility to mend this until this now year May.
Okay. This is Imphal River.
Yes.
Okay. So how many families has been affected apart from the 200?
Around 400, 500, I think.
No casualty.
Until now, it is not known.
तो दूसरी तरफ बाढ़ प्रभावित इलाकों में भारतीय सेना असम राइफल्स के साथ मिलकर पिछले 48 घंटों से राहत और बचाव के जरिए लोगों को सुरक्षित जगहों पर पहुंचाने में लगी हुई है।
We were closely monitoring the situation as soon as the rains started becoming severe, and since also we were adequately prepared, we had carried out joint trainings and the coordination with civil administration. So as the news of waterlogging and emerging floods reached us, we quickly responded along with the Assam Rifle columns, and we reached affected areas, and we had started these operations yesterday, so it is now continuous 48 hours, and our troops are committed on ground trying to reach out people and help them out and evacuate them to safer places.
So since yesterday, how many has been evacuated from your point?
As of now, we are trying to reach out to everyone. Of course, we are totally committed into our operations, and as far as yesterday's report, more than 1,000 people, and of course today also we are totally committed. Our focus remains on reaching out to the affected people and the people who actually require the help. So we will reach out to everyone and whosoever is stranded and who require the Army's assistance and help.
So from the Army Engineering Corps, you see, from which area now, as for your coverage of your operation, where are the places, specific places where you have started your operation?
Initially, we were monitoring, as we were monitoring the situation, the Imphal River started flowing above the danger level, and of course the areas around Imphal came under the waterlogging and flooding. So all these affected areas were mapped and they were earmarked. The columns were given the responsibilities and AORs, and that is how we have responded.
बाढ़ के पानी के कारण इम्फाल उखरुल रोड, इम्फाल पंगाई रोड और इम्फाल यारीपोक रोड के साथ-साथ प्रमुख सड़कों पर वाहनों का आवागमन पूरी तरह बाधित हो गया है। तो वही भारी बारिश और बाढ़ के कारण व्यवसायियों, मछली पालन और फसलों को भी भारी नुकसान हुआ है।